Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Chrysler 300. Stock number is A6868. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a sunroof. Swinging around to the back end, you have a rear backup camera on the back and dual-point exhaust. Looking in the trunk, there's a 60/40 split on the rear seats, and you have a Beats by Dre subwoofer in the back as well. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Dual climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Chrysler on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.